Congratulations on purchasing your new double door shed lock. Here's how to install it. Screw the mounting plate to the edge of the swinging door using the 2 screws as provided. Drill a 3/8 inch hole through the door using the center hole in the mounting plate as a guide. Mount the latch using 2 screws as provided. Feed the latch pull wire through the mounting plate hole and test the latch to make sure it moves freely. Now mount the second mounting plate to the edge of the fixed door at the same height as the plate on the swinging door. Mount the latch bracket using the screws provided. Make sure the latch and the latch bracket engage with each other. Feed the latch pull wire through the back of the lock and mount the lock using the screws provided. Feed the pull wire through the 2 post holes on the back of the lock. Pull the wire firmly and tighten the first post screw securely. Pass the wire under itself between the 2 posts, then tighten the second post screw. Tuck the remaining pull wire into the back of the lock. Your shed lock is now ready to use. Close the slider cover to protect the lock from the elements.